Hi, let's talk about fenugreek seeds as a natural conditioner for the hair for all genders. Super simple. Grab 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, soak them in a cup of water overnight. Next day, just blend them into a nice smooth paste with the soaked water into a thick consistency. To use it, first wash your hair with a natural shampoo. I use shikakai. While it's still wet, part your hair and gently spread the paste from mid-length to ends. Avoid the roots and scalp. Don't comb or brush your wet hair, just leave it alone. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. What not to do? Don't put it on dirty or oily hair, and don't leave it for too long. It can dry your hair. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water, no shampoo needed. After that, dry your hair naturally. No heat, no blow dryers. Never comb wet hair. Try doing everything properly with natural ingredients from start to finish. It really saves time and gives you better results in the long run. Make 2 batches and put one in the fridge. Easy for the whole week. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds can do 2 washes for long hair like mine. Why I like it? It makes my hair so soft, shiny and less frizzy. Also great if your hair is feeling dry or falling out. It won't leave any after smell. Take a look at my hair. The softness and shine you see is just from this one ingredient. It adds natural shine and makes my hair super soft. I have used it for over 4 years now. Fenugreek, also called methi, is one of the oldest plants used by humans. It originated around the Mediterranean region, especially India, North Africa, and the Middle East. Nobody knows exactly who discovered fenugreek for hair, but it has been used for beauty and health for thousands of years, going back to around 4000 BC. In ancient Egypt, people even used fenugreek seeds for hair care, skin health, and healing. I personally learned this from my grandmother and mother, and I'm so happy to share this to you. Really helps save the environment, your hair from toxins. So it is an ancient natural remedy passed down through generations, but it's a gift from nature that wise old cultures used. If you like the results, drop a comment and share how you're planning to self-care with easy stuff from the kitchen. Smart for your hair and saves your wallet too.